golden rays. The sun is up and I'm on my way. Wake up, turn on the news and shake those.
Gaya ng lagi kong wish, sana lumaki kang malusog tsaka may takot sa Diyos. Tandaan mo na isa kang malaking blessing sa family natin. So, continue. Sana lumaki kang mabait at tsaka matulungin sa kapatulad ng papa mo. Yun lang. Happy first birthday!
Hello, sun, good morning, morning, 'cause I just got a feeling the rest of my life starts today.
Happy birthday, Kylo! Sana mas lumaki ka pang pogi, cute, mabait, at syempre may pangarap. Mahalin mo pa lalo ang iyong mama at papa. Di ba? Di ba, Ninong? Ninong.
Happy birthday.
Happy first birthday, Kylo! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, mabait at laging nakikinig sa iyong mga magulang at sana magkaroon ka ng magandang future! Yay!
Happy birthday, Carlo! Ang wish namin sa'yo ay sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at alam naman namin na magiging mabait ka kasi nagmana ka sa mama mo.
Lagi mong iisipin na marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandiyan ang mami at daddy mo.
Happy birthday, Carlo!
Sana maging mabait ka tulad ng daddy mo.
We are happy and excited to see you grow. Happy birthday again!
Everybody, let's hype them up and clap along this TikTok worthy moment. Let's welcome Kylo Emmanuel!
Hello, sun, good morning, morning, 'cause I know it's a brand new day. I just got a feeling the rest of my life starts today.
Happy birthday, Kylo. You're very fortunate to have loving parents. I pray that you grow up to be a good boy, then good young man, and good man.
Good morning. Good morning.
Happy birthday, Kylo. Ang sobrang bilis ng panahon. 1 year na agad simula nung sinamahan ko kayo sa hospital. Lumaking mabuting tao, may takot sa Diyos, at maging mabait sa lahat, lalo na sa nakakatanda sa atin. Ayun lang, happy birthday, mahal ka ni Ninang. I love you.
Just got a feeling the rest of my life starts today. Good morning.
Happy birthday, Kylo, and sana lumaki ka ng malusog and more happy birthdays to you. Andito lang lagi si Ninong Neil. Gigil na. Happy birthday ulit!
These are the good days. These are the good days.
So, ang wish ko kay Kylo, sana, maging healthy siya, maging mabait na bata, susunod kay mami at saka kay daddy, maging positive ang outlook in life, and then, yun lang, maging happy kid and healthy. Love you, Kylo!
These are the good days. These are the good days. Moment now, good feeling, good being with you all the time.
Kylo, alam kong sa ngayon hindi mo pa naiintindihan to. Natulog ka nga lang buong birthday mo. Nagising kay patapos na. Pero alam namin pagdating ng araw makikita mo yung saya ng unang birthday mo. At mag-enjoy ka lang sa buhay at lagi lang kami nandito para sa'yo.
Happy first birthday, Kylo, anak. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, maging matulungin ka sa lahat, anong nangangailangan, and then lahat gagawin namin para sa iyo, Tata. Yun lamang. Mahal ka namin.
Mahal ka
Love
namin.
you,
Happy
Kylo.
birthday, Kylo.
Happy birthday.